just want y'all to find the lace because I don't see it. Period. Hey guys, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. We are back with a new tutorial and review on LONGQI hair. Now they did send me all 24-inch and a matching straight lace closure, so be sure to check out all the descriptions on his hair down below in the box. Now today I will be doing a closure install quick weave for you guys, and I'm just going to jump straight into this video because you guys pretty much know how the whole prep process goes. Now I am using a 4x4 lace closure, and I did go ahead and put that foundation underneath that closure and on top as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and start by sewing down this lace closure all around. Now, unlike my previous lace closure video, I did not bring it all the way down to the side because she did not want to wear this as a deep side part or pull the hair behind her ear. So I'm just going to just leave it about an inch away from her ear and attach it like that. Now I will be using the Ghost Bond, and I did apply 4 layers instead of my usual 3. And I think from now on I'm just going to do the 4 layers because I like the hold so much better with the 4 versus the 3 layers. So yeah, once you get all those layers on and it turns clear, you can go ahead and pull that lace down into that glue, blow dry it, and also use your comb to comb that lace down into that glue, using that extra lace to give it like some tension on that lace, like just, you know, help put it into that lace so much easier versus you cutting the lace off first. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and begin to razor cut off the extra lace and proceed to tack down the corners that are still lifting, taking your mousse, any mousse that you are using, and then you apply that mousse on that closure, tie it down, and begin to bond in the back of your tracks while that just pretty much get its meltdown going on. Now I'm just going to secure that closure using my elastic band, and then I'm going to also go in with my new Beautiful Hustler hair ties, which you guys can also purchase on my website. They are $10, and I'm just going to lay that right on top of that closure as well because I like the top to be very flat and smooth, and especially because I'm only doing like 2 baby hairs and I like that pushback look. I just wanted to have it, you know, be pushed back a little bit more and be molded down. But the benefits of the zip tie is also to tie down your hair at night, or if you're working out or anything like that, it will help keep your lace down. So other than that elastic band, the benefits of this hair tie does come in handy, and I wouldn't pretty much, you know, make a product or advertise anything that would not work. So yeah. But now that that has dried, I'm going to go ahead and remove both my wrap and the band and proceed to start bonding in those back tracks. But before I even bond in those back tracks, I am just going to comb all of that out and just like pretty much tie it out the way using clips. Just roll it out the way because you don't want to get any glue on that closure bonding in those back tracks. Now as far as gluing in the back tracks, it's just the same thing. You just want to measure, cut, and glue, and it's just repetition over and over and over. So I would not be showing that whole process because it's pretty much just self-explanatory and something very simple to do. Now earlier I did release a closure sewing video, so this will actually be the opposite, which is the quick weave tutorial, and I just do those tracks in the same direction that I did that sewing video as well. Like, you just want to continue to go from left to right till you get to that very, very, very top. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to hot comb out the roots. I'm going to use my hot comb and also my wax stick to just get this closure very, very nice, sleek, and neat. And I'm going to flat iron the hair out as well after I do that, and I'll actually start creating like my baby hairs and stuff like that. Like, this video is pretty much like you know, self-explanatory without me having to explain everything in detail, because you guys can see what I'm doing here. So it's just like, you know, it's pretty much the same thing I do in my other lace closure videos, but only difference with this video is just like it's not going all the way to the far left. But pretty much, as you can see, it is looking very, very natural, especially in the scalp area. And I also wanted to touch bases with defining the part, because I know a lot of people do ask me, like on my Instagram and stuff like that, like, how do you get the part to look so clean and so sharp and so neat? And I will show you guys exactly what I do. And that's just pretty much using the black spray and concealer to just get everything so neat looking. But before we touch bases on that in detail, I am going ahead and just taking my BioSilk spray, and I am just like laying that hair down, because I did not want the closure to just be just straight down. I did want to create a bit of a little swerve, because I am adding 2 baby hairs to the corners of the closure. Now, this is a 4x4 closure. And the other video I posted was a 5x5, but you can still give off that frontal look with using your closure if you just cut those thick pieces off on the side. Like, that's what really makes the closure look so much more natural and seamless. But once I get those baby hairs swooped, I do blow dry it, because it's just so much easier that way. And some people don't like their baby hairs to move, especially if they're not really big on hair maintenance. So I'm just doing that using my edge brush. And like I said, I did use that BioSilk hairspray to also spray things down to keep it, you know, firm, but it still looks soft and natural. It does not look crunchy or hard or anything like that. And that's another reason why I love that product. But here I am just basically just flat ironing the hair and just doing the finishing touches. So yeah, this video is pretty much just simple, like a quick tutorial for you. Now, here is the part where I want to touch bases with as far as clean up the part. Now, as you guys see, this is what it looked like before I applied the concealer. Like, it's up to you. If you can spray it very, very neat and don't want to use the concealer, you don't have to. But I like the part to look very crisp and sharp, and that's why I go in with that concealer behind that black spray, just to give it that look right there. Like, I love that smooth, sleek look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. However, and this was like 3 bundles in a lace closure, like I mentioned before. All the details to the hair will be listed down below. And here was just a little sample video for you guys. It was no filter on this video. So thank you for watching.